I was saying about the structure, this is very nice, and I like these diagrams, and I like to draw. And like after the geography and history of major subjects in the 10th standard, immediately we had the chemistry, mathematics, and physics partly. Actually, physics was all prose, no mechanics involved. Um, just we had just for reference, but I maintain my dignity because I'm not paying for anything. Uh, so my parents were paying for me, but I had a slight doubt whether my sister or my brother is paying for me, and it went on for the truth. My parents were not paying for me, and my sister and my brother were paying for me. Anyways, I would like to thank them. Especially my brother, if I see, like, he looks like the entire chemistry book. I don't know how, actually, but it all practice. Then, next we have the periodic classification. So, review of periodic properties. I'm feeling very sleepy actually. Um, Atomic and ionic radii, ionization energy, ionization potential. So we have a lot of things in the book. I don't know, like whether it's a physics book or a chemistry book. Like the physics of engineering and the audios, electricals and electronics. That's why my father told to take electrical and electronics, I think. I wondered why he is asking me to take a subject which is taken usually by the men. But just like almost 300 pages, and actually to reduce down, actually I have printed my history and geography books. I have made the like to be the legits, I could say, for the gazettes. um, I have printed each page separately, so I think this is for the notes. I'm getting a wild sleep. I just slept now and came. I was sleeping the whole day. Oh my god. Let's see about the organic chemistry and then come to the chemistry. So, volume 2. Actually, organic chemistry, I had no time to read. So, I read from the another book, which was the higher secondary, the second book. So, we had organic and physical chemistry. There is chemical kinetics, surface chemistry, electrochemistry 1 and electrochemistry 2. Organic chemistry, introduction to organic chemistry, isomerism in organic chemistry, hydroxy derivatives, ethers, carbonyl compounds, carboxylic acid, organic nitrogen compounds, biomolecules, chemistry in action, problems in chemistry. So I wondered about the diagrams I used to memorize. Um, so we'll go to the organic chemistry first. Actually, electrochemistry was also good. Basic principles and conventions followed in organic reaction, polar reaction and non-polar substrate maybe, react with polar and ionic reagents. Actually, for the higher secondary, like for the applied part of it, they used to have only this book for all the 4 years. Only one book for all the 4 years. We don't read all of the books, only for the philosophers they read. So I think for the Sona College they have given the all the 4 books. What actually happened for the 12th standard was no record was retained by me. I'm very happy. And after that to the Sona College, during the submission of after the exams, I think for the first term or the second term, I think one of my friends' record was there. So my friend Sivashankari's record was there. So this record of Vidya Priya was also written by me, and the name was she gave it for my sister gave it for recommendation. That record I took and came to the home. Again, the name with Shivashankari, the record was written by me during my practical session in one of my secondary examinations, secondary school. During training, the Sona College of Technology, we had some trainings, like periodical trainings actually. The first, second, third and fourth standards all consists of the applied ones actually. The applied subjects, physics, chemistry and biology, and also mathematics. So what happened was I only mine and another book was there. So I took the record note and for giving to her, my friend. I thought it was my friend's. Actually, it was mine. I thought it was my friend's. So actually, it was awarded to me. I thought it was my friend, and I called to her, and because her name only was written, so I called to her, and actually it was the teacher. I called to her and said, I have your one of your books, record notes of it was actually mathematics, I think. So it was signed by Saravanan sir. Then I called to her. She said, "Okay, you give it to me afterwards, after the leave." So we had a period of leave there. So after the holidays, you give to me. So I thought after holidays, take to her. That also I left it in the home itself, in my room. where I keep all my books. Um, that also was hidden in the house. Um, I don't know what sort of memory this house has. This house is more than a Microsoft, and so then I forgot to give it to her. So then I found out there is a complication in travel actually. Um, from the new bus stand to the 5 roads, there is a break in the bridge, so we can't travel this side and that side. So it's like a Uire movie, like uh, so even the tears are sweeter. So like I thought I could send it through post, and I sent it through courier and hope it reached you, and it would have reached the department. But thank you for the award, a prestigious award on mathematics, a second award I think I could say. But I love maths. Actually, I'm planning for taking a mathematical subject so I could revise it again, and the students also get benefited about it. Maybe I thought of getting into the arts college, but what was the problem was the arts college comes under the Bosnia and Herzegovina. So like there would be people of tribal there, and also like we have to follow their country's rules, because the climate is very much different. If you see in the television, the climate is very much brighter, and only a certain kind of people, maybe like red Indians, could only live to there. We British can't sustain. We must make a nice capital. So also like but for the present I could say the requirement is just mathematics, chemistry, and partial physics. Actually we have learned the theory, and we have lot gone into the practical part of the physics we have seen for the past 10 years. So we could just leave physics also, only the theorems and the mathematical part of physics we could extract a few. By now the requirement is chemistry and mathematics alone. Biology, we have completed biology in flying colors. So I have awarded everyone along with me, the 100 students MBBS in biology. Everyone have passed in biology. So I have signed for all of them. But like we need actually chemistry and physics also, like they have gone, no, elders were teaching us the physics in the steel plant. See the Nethimedu, like from Gugai to Kondalambatti Rautana, it is completely the steel plant road. We have not touched the government road from Gugai to Silnaikampatti. That is a government road. Beyond that also, the Dalmia have afforded us the road from Kondalambatti to Uttamasolavaram. So the government road from Silnaikampatti to Uttamasolavaram is the that one sideways road in interior to Pulavari, Nalikalpatti I think, that road actually. So that road also is the government road, which has not been touched by us. Only we have been along the Dalmia board. So we must thank both steel plant and Dalmia for giving us a prestigious the luxurious learning of physics and mechanics, we could say. all of the electrical and electronics items. So the electricals were awarded by the steel plant, and electronics were awarded by the Dalmia board. We must thank both of them. So both are private roads of concern. So we have bond formation, bond dissociation, and electron accepting atom can be an atom with sextant of electron. Protonation takes place only at a multiple bond or at a heteroatom with lone pair of electrons or at an anion. Then we have isomerism in organic chemistry. And isomerism is of two types, structural and stereoisomerism. I'm very happy that we have discovered a lot of physical entities and experiments on Earth. So I thought of going for the applied geology, but only PhD is available for my age. My age, according to the US meters, is 34. According to euros, is 20 actually. And but we don't accept 20 here. 20 means we give it for the elders also. 20, 30, up to 40 we give it for the elders. So I thought it's better to stay in 34 instead of going for multiples of 20, like 40s and 60s. I'm less aged then. So better be safe. I'm not like I did not receive command from my elders. So from my from the boss. And so geometrical isomerism, like if you have said we have going to have a play, then I would have prepared myself for the play and the fashion competitions very beautifully. But I was படிச்சாதான் சோறு அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி. So only if I read I get my food. In my house it is the same. Geometrical isomerism, cis isomer, trans isomer. Then that was a beautiful place. Just let's read about this isomerism, and I'll say you about the place. I was talking from that place also, no? Cis and trans, and we have the bondings and Kahn-Ingold Prelog convention. And example is E isomer, Z isomer, and propylene 2-methyl L-propene and 2-methyl 2-butene. So I got these names from the board, when the madam teaches on the board, I just we all of us listen and we memorize. And we started earlier during our 11th standard itself. From the half yearly of 11th standard we started the learning for the 12th standard, preparing for the 12th standard. So conformation in cyclic systems and cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane. Cyclohexane, these are actually gases, propanol gas, butane gas, pentane gas, and S trans, S cis isomerism, and chair conformation and boat conformation. And A like it's axial, E is equal to equatorial, F is equal to flagpole, S is equal to bowsprit, X to X equal to pair of eclipsing hydrogen atoms. So this chair and boat conformation I would like to say. And there is one more diagram of energy and S trans and S cis, 12 kilocalories and 3 kilocalories actually. So this 2D graph diagram was drawn in the Belur mountains. So this is the collection of amber, important precious element. Actually it's not a metal, it is an amalgam actually, amber. So I have received the small actually I have received big statues of in the color of amber, but it is mixed with the pearl actually and made into a statue, priced for amber, from all of the jewelry shops, famous shops. But the actually amber is from the actually extracted from the cat, I think, in the cat growing areas. The food it eats, the cat eats the food rich in amber, and the carcasses or the area, it dwells in that area of amber and converts it into. So like I received small statues of to say it as imprints in the sands of time. So small imprints of amber. Actually I'm feeling very sleepy. Let me tell it before I sleep. I'm also feeling hungry quite. So this like almost from 25 grams, 50 grams, less than 100 grams. So full of pure amber. And I need it for exchange. People, please don't make me very rich, okay? Since I am your friend, please please have some courtesy on me. Please try to help me with this. So get things from me and try to make beautiful things. So like I almost have some 1 kg of amber at home. That is pure amber at home. So you need to make about 100 kgs of bigger amber size. It will yield 100 kg of amber products, and it will not yield medicine and all. No, that's just a synthetic amber. So if you want medicinal things, you need to contact the nearby medicals. Actually here we have this Shobana medicals. Okay, like the Belur mountain, the chair configuration and the conformation and the boat conformation. Like what happened from converting to chair conformation to boat conformation? The Thar desert was revealed in the in Orissa, actually last before time, before the Anaimadu reservoir opened, before time when I first reached the Puludikottai dam, till the dam was filled till the mountain level. So like on the first time visit. So this is the experiment actually. So I just returned back. It was almost 5:30 in the evening, so I could not go into the dam. It was very suspicious inside. So I took my friend along with me the next time, and we had a beautiful reservoir. Hmm. Like then the cyclopropane, cyclobutane, and cyclopentane. That experiment was actually in the hills of. It doesn't come under Shaver Ice. Don't go there. It is in the hills of this. What the hell? This beautiful name, Bodhamalai, Bodhi Hills, and the Kalvarayan Reserve Forest actually. So in the Mysore reflection of the cyclopropane, actually cyclopropane is initially in the Mysore back hills, the railway section of the Mysore, like which goes along the Anjaneya temple. So which comes under the movie also, beautiful movie also, like with Amitabh Bachchan. So like during a morning time, early morning, I did not have sleep. During early morning, 3 o'clock, I was there in Dharmaburi. So Dharmaburi is actually Burkina Faso. Formation of Burkina Faso was made by me during that time, last before year. So even though we have a lot of things, it never ends. It's just a congestion, you could say. So the cyclopropane was formed, and like on the hills of Kalvarayan. So there, that is the Barikam Reserve Forest. So and it was like beautifully formed, like a bat, like a V-shaped. Actually, it was like a drawing of the uterus, fully blue color. Very beautiful, like a 3D shape. It is turning like, and I'm very blessed. And like 10 years before, I was talking to my uncle. I was just giving him. He just gave me the videos of 3D animations, and I gave it to my teacher also, anatomy teacher also, about the videos. But same thing came into the eyes. Actually, my uncle would have. My uncle Vijay Raghavan is a mathematics professor, so he would have my mother's brother. He would have told me about the projects there. I think actually, it is a Mumbai Gate project and opening of the child and Chad. A very nice projection, beautifully, like the first time when I put an emergency act on Dharmaburi, since we were in the central part of Dharmaburi and Salem was not reached, so because people were there and patients were there, so first time I just saw the Saturn on sky, like on the moon, central part of the moon. Sky is different, the central line of moon and the earth base. There is 3 bases. So like on the central part of the moon, like up was, so on the basement, the next opening was the basement. We saw a lot of stars on the basement, formation of stars, holes inside on the earth, so from which the stars were projected. Everything happens only in the Sanyasagundu mountain, I know. Be blessed. Okay, like we just had a trial there. 30 kilometers apart from Sannyasi Mountain, almost like 40 kilometers. So we had the nuclear testing, and we had atomic testing also and nuclear testing also. So the atomic testing was a different African country which is very beautifully projected, and a new country. I would give you the country formation. I'm coming according to the alphabets. I will surely give you the country formation. That was a beautiful Sri Lankan country. Actually, most of the Sri Lankan films were taken there, and so this I just noted down on my notes a zigzag pattern of Saturn. Then I was wondering, the next opening was just a cyclopropane, beautiful, and it was animated also, very beautifully animated. I don't know, you have a beautiful mind, my child. You have a beautiful mind. Then the cyclobutane, the double V shape. Actually, the second one was actually the cyclopentane is the reflection which we saw the last time of the. We had a OG presentation in the Saint Lucia. So a road which is from Salem to Rasipuram, but it's in the interior nearby the Bodhi Hills. The cyclopentane was just formed just now, just 6 months before it was formed. The cyclobutane is maybe the Mauritiana formation in the which I was talking in the video. Actually, it was a beautiful lifting, too much lifting. Actually, even if I sit in my new farmhouse, I'll be lifted. My shadow will be lifted straight up, like goddess Kali. So the cyclopentane formation, I would like to say, very, very beautiful story it is. I will say it in the next episode. So when I come to ONG configuration. So this chair conformation and boat conformation, I was into this squared. There was marked squared in Kenya, and there is one more country there, Kyrgyzstan. So in the Kyrgyzstan, there was a marked square. Inside a small snake was there, and there were presentation. And nearby there was this well of formed well of Alagar Sami temple. This Padinettam Padi Karpusami, that temple well, and the lake which shows the picture of Ooty and Kodaikanal together. This chair conformation was very nicely exhibited in the video, and I was talking from isomerism and everything. So next boat was also, I was talking previously from the Eripudur region of Belur. That is also the Kodaikanal temples were there nearby hills, the top of the Kodaikanal, from the below the dam survey and the above the dam survey, from the top of the Kodaikanal. So on the boat conformation, actually the the backside of in the 300 acres of the Taj Mahal. Um, Actor, that actor, his name is um, in the Natami movie. Actor used to say um, about the 300 acres behind the Taj Mahal. We were reviewing about the coffee community. That is the second time I went with my friend, and the hills were very beautiful. The cafe hills and all. So the logo of the coffee community also was on the sky, and so I found that a tangent to the moon or the formation of sun. I don't know, like the evening sun or the sunrise. So like the British never sets in the like sun never sets in the British Empire. So that's and we had latestly we had the formation of Agni and the Gemini satellite communications were there actually in the satellite picture. It was very nice. The mountains were there, and the previous projection was like the Linka Bhairavi, or like a hole, a small hole in the mountain. When we went to see about the boat conformation of the hills of Belur mountains. So it was a very transparent, reflecting the British East India Company, very transparent, and it was, the projection was given from my shop, and I'm very happy. From my pharmacy shop. So the Vinayaga Missions Pharmacy College is registered under my mother's name. So the projection was given from my shop actually. The picture looked like my grandmother actually. My mother was standing or my grandmother was standing. It looked like my grandmother only. It was a recorded picture, or like and there was a triangular hole from reflected from Jamaica. Actually in Jamaica also, in the chair conformation, we had different phases of Jamaica. I went along with my sister's son there in Pakistan. So 1 year before, to see the plots of Jamaica and regions before I bought the Glenrock Estates. So like it was a beautiful like a projection with we recently went for a movie about the sands in the desert. So there was a long mouthed structure or a creature or animal or a giant organism. We usually say it as I forgot the name. Okay, it's a giant organism. So I'll be always talking to you scientifically. I won't be practical because I'm a student. So and then it secretes blue colored fluid from the mouth, and it's very hard to catch, and that fluid is injected into the human beings and they accidentally injected into a pregnant woman, and she went unconscious, and maybe to give eternity or to transfer one's soul into other, one elder soul into other. So it is a very beautifully portrayed movie, and this boy of the region used to command the bigger organisms, the dragons, uh, for traveling in the desert. Actually, that's a beautiful movie. So, like it was the projection of that giant animal, very beautifully portrayed, and that projection was made by Vinayaka Mission's College of Physical Education. That is our kitchen. Our kitchen in the Elatur village, actually, from the male Madheshwara Bhatta. So that is the Madheshwaran temple there, and we have our cheetah there. So a very beautiful projection from the plot. So actually we have two plots along with us. I have one plot here. I don't need the plot because I create plots. Maybe like it's for my elder sister, and that plot is for my younger sister. So there is a Mookambikai temple also nearby there, and festival is going to come there. So I'm very happy that we have almost got extracted tin, and like to say it as elementum. Actually, it's not gold or silver, it's a mixture of gold and silver, and the metal name is elementum, mined from the Mechanas, bridge of Mechanas, we could say. That is mined from the mines in Erode, actually. So I'm very sorry, Erode. Even because Coimbatore has not taken their plots, Erode has to mingle with us then and there, here and there. So, anyways, you could earn from us. Actually, the first primary part of studies was on Salem, the ERCAT portion. The secondary part of studies almost was in Erode. So you need to afford to us. You need to mingle with us. And the higher secondary was almost Coimbatore. So Jamaica, you are great, actually. Then to say we had a different regions, different all the Navagraha statues is there in one place, very beautiful portraying. Actually, I need one more session to explain about the Jamaica. So we had that entire Janani song from the Adi Shankara entirely portrayed, but we can't make it as a single song. I will mark the plots for you. You can go on. I'll mark the countries for you. I'll take oath. Okay? I love Pakistan. The actual thing is the war between India and Pakistan is false. India is just a radiology department. So there was a war between Indonesia and Pakistan. Still now I am wondering why India, Pakistan. What's wrong with it? Why do you call Indonesia as India? Since that I am very generous, you can't use my name. So then we have the Chak confirmation. So the types of CH bond: axial, equatorial, 3 axial bonds facing upwards, beta axial, 3 axial bond facing downward, alpha axial, 3 equatorial bond facing upward, beta equatorial, 3 equatorial bond facing downward, alpha equatorial. So the axial bonds, the 6 CH bonds parallel to the axis of the molecule. Equatorial, 6 CH bonds subtending an angle of about 70 degree and 110 degree with the axis. So to compare with the strategy of Jamaica, like uh, 6 CH bond parallel to the axis of the molecule was like lifted plots, and 6 CH bonds subtending an angle of about 70 to 110 degree with the axis was like a natural like earthquake, disaster, natural disaster like earthquake or hurricane or something like that. So I saw a big hurricane there, uh, reflecting the Manukonda Malai, and parts of Pollachi inside, and axial. It's like this is comes completely under the Metur. So there is a Kunjandiyur Metur in Metur. So from there up to Nangavalli, Nangavalli, this Narasimha temple, we have the parallel bonds, and so like we have 3 axial bonds facing upward and facing downwards. So there was one plot facing downwards. So this plot